Okay guys, we have another bike in the shop. This is a 2005 Honda Foreman 500 ES electric shift model. Had the tool out trying to manually shift it, and it had the 13 flashes neutral, was flashing 13 times repetitively. And everyone kept saying the angle sensor is bad. Well, this bike has a brand new carburetor. This bike probably sat up for about 4 years without running. So I pulled the old sensor off and same thing happens. Well, one thing I didn't think about was clocking the new sensor. When it came shipped, this screw was all the way, this screw was all the way up. And I was still getting the flashing screen. So I said, let me clock this sensor and see what happens. And now, adjusted 2 screws, and now it shifts. So we were worried we had a corrosion problem. We pulled every plug. Brand new, perfect, no corrosion. All came down to this sensor on the carburetor. So very simple fix. If you have the OEM carburetor, unfortunately you are gonna have these horrible screw heads that you have to take off with pliers. So that or grind, cut a little slot here and then use a flathead screwdriver. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.